Hi guys, Paul Dexter here, coming to you from InfoComm Orlando 2021. The show is a legitimate show. We were afraid people were pulling out and so forth, and it's not as big as it usually is, but for a post-COVID show, first InfoComm, it's an amazing show. Big booths, big vendors. We're already seeing great friends, both Jetbuilt community users as well as manufacturer partners, so it's a great show. Come on by the booth if you're in town. We're showing stock. So our stock module we've been talking about, it's been growing while it's in beta. We've added over the last couple of weeks things like a full movement log, like an audit trail of your items. So there's a stock page within your projects now. You can see your list of items. You can click on an item and it brings up the date it was ordered, the date it was received, the date it was moved to the warehouse shelf, a different warehouse shelf, the van, and so forth. Check that out, or we can show it to you if you come by here. As well as now we've launched the ability for anonymous end users. And this could perhaps be 10 years into the future if a building sells that you installed equipment into and an end user scans a TV or a projector or a camera, they'll be able to see you guys installed it. Here's the number for service. Here was the warranty information and so forth. So real exciting stuff. Also, yesterday we had our Jetbuilt User Summit. It was fantastic, a group, a really great time with a wonderful community of Jetbuilt users. One request came up at Summit where users wanted to have monthly or quarterly get-togethers, gatherings with the Jetbuilt community, perhaps regionally. So it's something we're going to begin looking into a bit, and if we could come to all of those, or if it's just something that we help coordinate and the group gets together. So it was an interesting topic that came up. Another thing we're really excited to talk about this week is our global initiative. So between now and the end of 2022, we're making a really big push globally. It's not just for Jetbuilt to grow globally. What this is about is today, 25% of our users are outside of the US. We've got good handling of currencies, cross currencies, and real complex conversions happening for, you're checking your margins in one currency while you're buying products in another currency and selling them yet a third currency. But we're now opening up an office in London this next year. We're also hiring local team to support the application for UK and Europe out of that office for more native feeling support. And then we're opening up languages. So we're starting with French. You can do proposals in French as of later this week, and we'll be building German, Spanish, and so forth proposals, and then full applications. So by the end of next year, you'll be able to operate in Jetbuilt in other countries fully in your native language, while perhaps your head office in another country is operating still in their language. So we're just trying to better respect the global community through this effort. It could be really good for the AV community, and that's really what we're trying to drive forward as the world continues to get smaller. So with that, I'm going to get back to the show, but thanks again for using Jetbuilt. We'll talk to you soon. This is Paul Dexter signing off.